Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be testing out a brand new collection from Makeup Revolution, which I feel like I haven't done a video on in so long. I used to do every single collection of Makeup Revolution, and then I had my girls and I don't know, I just didn't get the time, and I kind of like feel like I fell out of love with it. I had a lot of postpartum issues and problems that for some reason, one of them was just I couldn't do what I wanted, and my passion had like dimmed down. But anyway, we have the Wizards of Oz collection from Revolution. This is brand new. This is one of their gift sets, and this is called the Emerald City gift set. I have never seen Wizard of Oz, so I'm really sorry if I don't refer to names and people and things like that, but if you have, please let me know down below in the comments. So this box is pretty big, as you can see, and you get this yellow paper in there. It is a little bit jumbled because I actually did a TikTok unboxing, so if you guys want to go and see that, please do follow my TikTok and I will link it down below as well, but I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, this is the Wizard of Oz collection box, and I'm going to show you guys what we have in here. So I wish I had a bigger area to do all my YouTube and TikTok, like I'm so limited for space. This is the No Place Like Home palette, and we've got 18 shades in here, so I will go ahead and swatch them all for you in a minute. We have quite a few shimmers, quite a few mattes in there as well. So here are all of the mattes. So they are all of the mattes. This is a very orangey goldy kind of color story, which is quite sweet, so it's quite nice. I'm sure there's quite a few looks that we can do with this. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch these shimmers. Now we do have some really like foiled creamy ones in here, and they do look really nice actually. And there are these shimmers. Look at that silver, how beautiful is that? So yeah, they are the shimmers and they are the mattes. They do have very similar colour tones and colour story, but I'm sure there's something that we can create in this palette. Then get this little sponge, which looks like a dog. So I did a little bit of research before filming this video, and I found that there is a dog in here. Is the name Toto? Am I right? I don't know. Okay, so this is the sponge. It's got a little doggy on it, and it does seem quite soft. I do like Revolution's sponges, but sometimes when it's in a collection, sometimes they are a little bit different to use, so we can definitely try that out. And then we have a highlighter, the Wizard of Oz Revolution highlighter. It's in the shape of a heart, and it's got this lovely writing embedded into this highlighter, and it says "No heart, all hollow." So let me swatch this one for you. Okay, so this is a very different highlighter from what I would use personally. It's like a silvery colour. Usually I'm more like champagne gold kind of colour, but it could be nice. We can try it. Then we have, how sweet, and then we have two little hairbands. I don't get that, but please let me know. I'm assuming it's something that the main character might wear or something, or the little girl that's on the front. But yeah, we have two little hairbands to wear as well. Then we have a blusher. This is a very pretty looking blush, and it's got written in there, I even scare myself. So again, a reference that I probably don't understand, but please do let me know. That blusher looks really pretty. It's got kind of a bit of a glitter to it, so we'll see what it's like. But yeah, we'll definitely try them out. And then we have this really nice looking eye pencil. And this is, again, a really beautiful colour actually. So this is that gold colour there. How nice is that? And then lastly, we have two lip glosses. One more of a pinky kind of tone, and then this one is like quite bright pink. So I'll swatch these for you guys. Of the light pink, which I probably think is more me. Definitely probably wouldn't see me ever wear this other colour, to be honest. But they are really nice. I think personally this one's going to be more me, but I could wear that one, I don't know. But if you guys are into this film and collection, then you might love both lip glosses. But yeah, if you are into Wizards of Oz, I think this is a great little collection. So let's jump into the palette and see what look we can create. So I just wanted to share with you guys, I haven't done eye makeup in I think over 2 years, so please do bear with me. Let's just try, I guess. Let's just try and jump back into things. So I'm gonna go in with this color, this like beigey nude color. Wow, there's a lot of fallout there, and I'm just gonna pop that in the crease just to give like a nice little base color. And then I'm gonna go into this orangey color here, this one, and just deepen it up a little bit. The color story is very like brown, reds, pink, gold, silvers, like it's very random. So I feel like we need to go with quite an orangey, pinky maybe, I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Okay, these colors are really pigmented. This shade is definitely really pigmented. I do like that. I'm gonna deepen it up with this brownie color here, and we're gonna try and like deepen the corners a little bit, just a darker bit here. I like to try my best and see what outcome we get. I think that one blended in a bit more lighter. Maybe I put a little bit too much on this one, but we can try and see if we can blend it out just a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with some shimmer. So I think I'm gonna go in with this pinky color here, this one. They don't have names, they just have numbers. So this is the color, and I'm gonna pop that on the middle. Okay. Wow. Snugs. 1 second, guys. My cat has to come in when I'm YouTubing and stuff. Like a foiled kind of effect. It's absolutely stunning. I really was not expecting these shimmers to pay off as well as they have, especially when it comes to like collections. That's beautiful. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with a gold sort of shimmer, champagne-y colour. What do we think? I think that these eyeshadows have performed absolutely amazing. So I think what I'm going to do is take that really pale nude colour and use it just to kind of like diffuse the edges here. So that is the eye look. I like it. 100% recommend. This is so good. I'm pretty impressed. Let's move on to the gold eye pencil. So I think what I'm going to do is pop this underneath here. Maybe. Use this and put it in the inner corners. Just see if we can like make that pop. Again, great. Has worked really well. Love that. Okay, let's move on to some blush and highlight. So I do have a bit of the Maybelline Skin Tint, a bit of cream bronzer, and a bit of brows. Did my brows. So I'm going to go and try this blusher out now. Wow. They've upped their game. This is pigmented and absolutely beautiful. It's got like a lovely shimmer to it as well. May have put a little bit too much, but it's fine. I'll just diffuse it a little bit. It's getting dark now. I keep forgetting I need to film in the day a little bit more, but it's so busy. That is really nice. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, this is probably what I'm worried about. It's not really my colour, like my sort of thing, silver highlight, but I am definitely wanting to try it, and I'm going to try it with a very small brush and see how this comes out. Look at this up close because I can't really see. Okay, It's pretty. It's definitely got like that wet look, which I love because I do love Charlotte Tilbury highlight, so I do love that like wet look. But if you look at it really up close, which you probably can't see, it just looks really textured. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try and apply it for you here. Let's see if you guys can tell, but it just looks so, can you see like there? It just looks so textured. That is probably something I would not go ahead and use again, but the rest, the blush, the palette is brilliant. So unfortunately, not for me. I do have a lip oil on just for the video because my lip, I don't do dry lips. So I'm gonna try this out. Oh, stop it. Oh my god, that smells it. That smells beautiful. What? Oh my god, I love it. I love this gloss. Okay, I'm not mad at this collection. You guys, this is my first time trying Revolution out in, I think it's got to be about 2 years, and I am not mad. I am going to go and put some mascara on so I don't look too crazy. Take all this stuff off my hands, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. I'm back. My final thoughts, honestly, I will honestly be so straight up with you guys, like I'm not going to beat around the bush. I really didn't like the highlighter. I just didn't like the texture that it provides on your face. Like the texture is just not good. Regarding the shade, like I honestly thought it would just be too silver, but it's not as bad as I thought. Like it is quite nice, a nice colour, but the way that it's like sat on my face just doesn't look great. Whether it's because I've got quite a glowy skin base, I've used skin tint, I haven't powdered, maybe that's what it is. Maybe it doesn't sit on that very well, but this has got to be the thing that I just didn't enjoy out of the collection. I'm just being really honest. In regards to the lip glosses, as you guys would have seen, I absolutely love this. You need to get this. Honestly, it smells like a sweet. I don't know what they're called. I'm going to get Liam to smell that and see if he remembers. It is something that I've smelled as a child. Like it's a sweet. It's so nice. This one I'm sure performs the same as this, but this is really, really nice. It's not like really sticky where your hair's going to stick to your lips. It's like a really comfortable formula. I just love it. Blush, absolutely a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. It is very pigmented, as you can see, so I would go a little bit more dainty with it rather than what I did, but such cute packaging, performed amazing. The palette, I would say a 9 out of 10. The only reason I say a 9 out of 10 is just because of the, I keep forgetting I'm having to film on my phone and I don't have enough storage for all these videos. So I had to delete some, but the palette is a 9 out of 10, an 8 out of 10 actually, because I do love the shimmers. I love the way they performed, and I love this eye look. I think it's really nice. I just did go ahead. I just went ahead and tried to like blend the colours in. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just trying the products out. But yeah, the only reason I give it an 8 is because the colour story is just a little bit hard to work with sometimes. But I do love this palette. It's performed really well. I love the packaging. It's so cute. And I know what this is. I have seen it on the film. I just never watched the film properly. But she taps her shoes together and something happens. I don't know what. I haven't actually got to try this out, so if you guys are interested in seeing how this sponge works, then please follow my TikTok, because I'm going to do a showing you guys how big it gets when I wet it, and also how it performs as well. So yeah, I'll definitely try that out, so I can't really comment on that. And then this pencil here, I would say an 8 out of 10, just because it's great. Like, it's great pigment, it's really worked. Possibly I would prefer it if it was maybe a little bit more of a different like shade, I think. Like, I'm just not a gold kind of shimmery person. I like the champagne gold colour. So if this was more of like a champagne gold, that would have been absolutely perfect for me. But the way this performs is beautiful. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I think personally, if you are into Wizard of Oz, I would definitely recommend getting this collection. I'll link it down below for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. And I have another collection from Revolution, Shrek. It's the Shrek Family Ogre set. So if you guys want to see this next, let me know and I'll film it, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.